morning and welcome to the new academic year.
Mrs. Ashish, please come. I need you just to come to the
Yes,
sports field
Mr.
for a
Lowe,
minute.
but there's a recording going on.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yes, say hello, Mr. Lowe.
Oh, hi everyone.
Hi.
Sorry about that.
Thank you, Mr. Lowe. All right, we're going to start again. There's no one around and we can do it, and I'm determined to do it. All right. Good morning and welcome to the new
Excuse me, Mrs. Shish. I have a parent who is waiting for you. So
yes,
you could take that. We have.
I am still doing it.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Yes, and I'm very determined.
Yeah, we're first of all.
All right. On again.
Okay, guys. You were practicing?
No.
Why was she in it?
That's part of the video.
It looked like you were practicing.
I think we will be able to do it. Determination, Mrs. Vishesh. Determination. All right. Good morning and welcome to the new academic year. Now, we're going to start this academic year online, just like we did last term. So what is different this term? Well, it is different because we are a determined lot, and our value for this academic year's first term is determination. You see, I remained very determined to film this, and we're going to go through it. Now, as I was saying, things are a bit different when we start term 1. What is different? It's exciting. It is very, very exciting, because what we are going to do is we are going to bring in our extracurricular back. You know what? You're going to have Friday afternoon activities, and those are very, very exciting. I was just going through the list and it was making me very happy. So there's photography, there is cooking, there is origami, and there is much more that we are going to do. Now I have to say that there might be a trip to the museum. How are we going to do that with the social distancing? That is for you to watch out for. There might be that we may be connecting with children in other schools all over the world to see how they are coping with the online learning. Watch out for that. Now, when I use the word coping, may I say that you have been wonderful with the online learning last term. You were resilient, you were innovative, and you embodied all our values. You were respectful, you showed curiosity, you showed determination, and you were very, very independent. And that is why we thought that this term we were looking forward to starting school physically. Well, that is not happening. But is that unfortunate? No, it is not unfortunate. It's a bit challenging, yes, because we were looking and we were thinking that we all will be together. But all challenges can be overcome. They can be overcome with determination. Now, what is determination? Determination is the ability to continue trying to do something, even when you feel it's challenging or you find obstacles in your way. Now, we always tell you that determination is when you keep trying, when you feel that you don't have the capability or the skills to do it, but you try and you acquire those skills and you overcome the challenge. Determination is when you draw that sketch over and over again until you get that first line just right. Determination is when you keep trying with your music, practicing over and over again until you hit the note just right. Determination is when you practice your times tables to be the times table rock star every night until you can beat everybody's time in your class. Sometimes you know that you have the ability to do it, but others around you are not very sure whether you can do it or not. Determination is when you don't let that affect you, but you work to the best of your ability because you know you can do it. As Hillcrestians, we are a determined lot. Let this term be full of determination. Determination to overcome the challenge of that math sum that you didn't get it, or your enunciation in French, your typing speed, or your stamina when it comes to online PE lessons. Before I take your leave, I would like to extend a very warm welcome to the new families who've joined Hillcrest this term and the new teachers who you will be meeting online very soon. Have a determined, inspiring, enriching term 1.